All right, everyone. So you just probably finished checking your answers to the worksheet on lesson 3, part 1, conditional probability. And you watched the video for conditional probability part 2 last week. So before you dive into the assignment that is due this Friday, I want to make sure you just have some review with me to know what you're doing, and that way your work will go faster. So we're going to look at this table that talks about whether students are taking statistics full-time or part-time and whether they're male or female. So in number 1, the probability of a full-time student given, and that's what that little bar means between the word full-time and male, and I'll highlight that here. So we're going to only focus on the males. Now, what's nice about this table is that they already gave us our totals, so they did the adding for us. So 12 full-time and 16 part-time give us 28 males total. So that's going to be our denominator. Now we're looking for, out of those males that's highlighted in yellow, which ones are full-time? Well, that would be 12. So your fraction is 12 out of 28. Now we have to simplify that. So if you have trouble simplifying, especially in your head, they're both even, so I'm going to divide by 2 first. So 12 divided by 2 is 6, and 28 divided by 2 is 14. Yet both of those are even, and 2 can go into them again. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 14 divided by 2 is 7. So your final reduced fraction answer is 3/7. Okay? All right, I'm going to go up here and clear this out to get ready for our next one. For number 2, find the probability that you pick a student that is male given their full-time. So this time we're only focused on the full-time. So once again, our denominator is going to be 40. Now we're looking for just the males, and that's 12 of them. So once again, we're going to reduce. Well, I'm going to start with, let's see, 4 goes into both of these. So 12 divided by 4 is 3, and 40 divided by 4 is 10. So your final answer would be 3/10. Okay? All right, number 3, find the probability that you pick a student that is female given that they are part-time. So we're only going to focus on this part of the chart. And part-time would be 31 total. And the females of those 31 is 15. Now, 15 over 31 does not reduce, so that's your final answer. And for number 4, the probability that you have a full-time given their part-time. So right now, given that a student is part-time is our focus. So right now, our denominator would be 31. Now, given they're full-time, well, you can't. You can't be in this column and this column at the same time. So this problem is really just making sure you understand that given criteria. So you can't have full-time, so therefore that probability is impossible. Okay? So hopefully this helps you move into your assignment. All right, good job.